So another question I get all the time is Business Manager evil? And the answer is no, Facebook Business Manager is not evil. It's just a different way to run your Facebook page and your Facebook Ads Manager. What's important to really understand with the Facebook Business Manager is that it's an umbrella that goes over your Facebook page and your Facebook ad account. And then it's really good for teams. So you can have a team member and give them access to certain aspects of the assets that are in your Facebook Business Manager. So you really don't need to use Facebook Business Manager, but it can be a really great way to have a team run different aspects of the pages and ad accounts that you need. So it's a little bit more for a larger team. People are using the Facebook Business Manager. You can do it both ways. I teach both ways in the course, my Facebook Ads course, but it definitely does help keep everything much more separated. The billing's all separated, and you don't have to worry about that. You're just setting up the ads, monitoring them, and letting the client know how their ads are doing.